Today, my bike is going to be a work truck. I've got a stool and garden supplies, a towel, and a tripod on my rear rack. And my drink, sunglasses, a bottle of water in there as well. So we're gonna go weed a flower bed. Why am I doing that? Because I offered to. And the girl that does it is afraid of snakes and I'm not. So we're gonna go get busy. Let's ride. Okay, and here we are. Pull all the weeds out. It's not terrible, but it needs it done some. So this is the Veterans Memorial Garden, and I'm gonna weed it. Get all the gear off my bike and go to work. Alrighty. Some grasses and stuff growing through here. Candy thistle growing over here. Oh, trade out gloves. Biker gloves for garden gloves. Pathetic, huh? Dig up the root to this grass line here. There we go. As you can see, the edge is growing over. So what I am doing is I'm just digging it out and pulling up the grass around the edge. Pulling the weeds, all that fun stuff. Take some before and after pictures, huh? Okay, so you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm going to weed this whole flower bed, and I'm probably going to dig along the perimeter of it to open it up more so that the grasses and stuff don't crawl in as well. Okay, get to work. I'll show you when I'm done. I have a little pile started here, a pile over here. I pulled up the flags that were in my way. I can always put them back in, although I think they should be replaced. I think they were put there for the 4th of July. Whew. So I still need to do this section here. Did just a little bit, not much, because I wanted to get the edging done on this side at least. So going to go back and finish the edging on this side. I absolutely cannot complain. That's the flower bed right there that I'm working on. Look at the views. So beautiful. And it's 73 degrees. So nope, no complaints here. I had to take a break because I got a phone call. Back to work. There's a little bit of a blue moon tonight. However, the cell phone can't capture it. Alrighty, we're going back up on the hill to work on that flower bed more. The memorial garden, Veterans Memorial Garden. I got some weight on here. Doesn't look like it, but yeah, there's some weight on here. I wanted to bring the bigger stool this time because that one was too low. It put a lot of strain on my back yesterday. Alrighty, so yeah, let's go up there, get back to work. Hopefully I can get a lot accomplished today. It's still early and it's in the 60s right now, but it's going to warm up to 75 today, which still not complaining about. We're gonna have a little heat wave coming next week. It'll be actually 90 here. And it's like weird. I was like, did August trade with September? Because we didn't get the hot weather in August. So weird. But it's only going to last like a week and then we'll be back in the 70s. Okay, up the hill we go. We are back up on the hill. Look at that view. So pretty. And the flower bed actually does look better today. So, bee. No. Okay, it left. Yeah, I'm going to be dealing with bees, I think. But anyhow, the flower bed does look better already. It's not finished, of course. And the edging has been putting a toll on my back. I don't even know what possessed me to do that. But, oh well, I just thought it would be better and look better. And they're having a big Patriot Day event coming up, so, and they do the services up here on the hill. So, yeah, I'm going to get back to work, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Got a little bit more weeding done. Edging, I mean. And a little bit of weeding. Still got to finish. But it's coming along. That view. Oh. Oh, still a bit more to go. I've got maybe about a quarter of it left. And I haven't done any edging on the rest of the edges. That may have to wait. Getting painful. But it's looking better. Okay, y'all. It is all weeded. It took me all day. There were a lot of weeds in there, and of course I'm a bit of a perfectionist too, so I pulled every single weed I saw out of there. There's a little pile over here, a couple that made it over here, a big pile right here, a pile over here, and a pile over here. Oops, get my shadow out of the way. So, yeah, I worked my tail off. But it looks good. And next day or two, I hope to come up and finish the edging. Don't know if that'll happen or not. I'd like to finish it. I just don't know if my back will let me. But the most important part was done, and the front is edged, so at least the front part of it looks good, right? Oh my goodness, what a lot of work. Wow. I'll bag up these weeds, put them in the trash. That is an awesome statue right there. And I brushed off all the stones, all the plaques, whatever you call them. Brought a whisk broom up and brushed all those up too. Actually, two of them were totally buried under weeds and dirt, so I found them though. So cool. This is so cool. Remember our veterans. The soul of our country. I'm back on the bike again. Oh, wow, look at this. Get the phone out of the holder here. Simply gorgeous, huh? That's what I was seeing. Had sunglasses on. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Still pretty. Wow.